Hey everyone, this is Mark Hess, and I just wanted to make some quick videos showing everyone how to edit the template and how to get it on your blog. Now, the easiest way to edit this template, if you're not familiar with HTML, would be going to a site called composer.net and downloading their free software. So if you go to composer.net and you click on this little download tab up there at the top, and if you scroll down, you will see other systems and languages, and then you would just download whichever version you need. So in my case, it would be English, so I would just download the Windows version of the installer, and then you can just follow the directions and install this program on your computer. It's very easy to use. So after that is installed on your computer, you'll want to just open up the program, and it will be a blank screen. So now we need to import the template file. So if you click on the open button, and I have mine saved to my desktop, and just open the Guru Squeeze folder, and right here is the template, the Guru Squeeze template, and then just click open on the bottom of the screen. So right here you can see the template. Over here on the left hand side, this is just like editing any other text that you would with a what you see what you get editor, or even a program like Microsoft Word or OpenOffice. So this is very easy to use. Up here is the different font sizes, bold, underline, things like that. You can center things. So you can just edit the text any way that you would like over here on the left hand side. With this template, there are three different images. This is the first one right here. The second one is the arrow. And the third one is going to be this little Twitter bar. I recommend uploading these images to your hosting account. So the first image that we are going to replace will be this one right here, this one of the video. So if you log into the back end of your WordPress blog, and over here on the left hand side, just go to media and then add new. And so I'm just going to edit an image of a ebook cover from a master resale rights product I have. So I'm just going to click on desktop, and then I'm going to open this folder where my images are located, and then I'm just going to upload the image of the ebook. After that's complete, where it says file URL, I'm just going to select all and then just hit copy. Then return to Composer and click on the image that I would like to edit, which is this one right here. So I just click on that one time, then come up and go to Format and then Image Properties. Where it says Image Location, I'm going to replace that with the image that was uploaded to my blog, so that all the images are going to be hosted on my blog. And then just you can enter in some alternate text and hit OK. So now on the right hand side, you will see that my image has now appeared. So the next thing we are going to do is do the same thing for the arrow. So if I go to my hosting account or my WordPress dashboard and hit add new, select files, and inside the Guru Squeeze folder, you will see different versions of arrows. So you can enter in whichever one suits you, or you can use an image of your own. Just make sure that all images are under 360 pixels wide. So I'm just going to enter this down arrows and hit open. And once again, I am just going to select all and then copy that, return to Composer, and just click on the image that I would like to edit. Come up here to Format, where it says Image Properties. I do the same thing, just delete the image location and put in your own location and hit OK. One thing to keep in mind, even if you are using the standard arrow that I have provided, is make sure that it's hosted on your WordPress blog, because it'll make images always display easier if it's coming from the blog, so you don't have to worry about the images breaking. So here you can enter in some text telling people how to access this by entering their email and address, or their email address, their name and email address below. So you can just edit that. And the autoresponder code, you can edit that now, or I usually wait until I'm in the back end of WordPress. So I'm just going to wait for right now. So where it says your autoresponder code, you don't have to do anything with it right now. So now the final thing is this Twitter bar right here. And if we go back and hit add new once again in our media library, select files. In the folder I provide you with this Twitter bar, so just go ahead and hit open. Once again, I'm just going to select all and then copy, return to Composer, click on that Twitter image, and come up here to where it says format and then image and link properties. I'm going to replace that with the URL once again, alternate text, or you can choose not to display alternate text. The choice is yours. Just going to put Twitter and hit OK. So now that replaced the image. Now we want to edit the message that you want retweeted along when somebody visits the page. So if we come down here and click on the Source tab, right above that link, that Twitter JPEG, you are going to see this line of code right here, href equals, and then this piece of code, status equals, and then right here where it says at your Twitter name, a percentage sign, and then 20, you are just going to replace that with your Twitter name. And where it says your message and link, I am just going to delete that. And you can write in any message and make sure that you include a URL shortened link through either tinyURL or something else to where it points back to your squeeze page. And also make sure that this remains in quotes. This entire line needs to remain in quotation marks. So make sure that this last quotation mark is present if you delete this message. So after that is done, the only thing that we need to do is we can return to the design. And if we're happy with the way that it's designed and want to check it out on our blog, the next thing we would do is come up here to where it says File, and then Save As, and then you can save this as to whatever you would like, as long as I'm going to keep it as Guru Squeeze, and then it needs to be .php. That's very important. It needs to be .php before you upload it. And then just go ahead and click Save. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload the template to your WordPress blog.